Innovation is a flash of the human spirit delivering a meaningful, world-shifting breakthrough. Like fire from a spark, or Edison's light bulb filament that illuminates the night sky. Our culture is driven by brilliant people who are gifted with the creativity that allows them to turn their spark of genius into the realization of a new idea or invention that is useful to all. Innovations like language, art, science, and all social constructs are the result of collective human effort and the exchange of ideas. Thomas Edison, a truly special global innovator, was successful because of his ability to curate unique minds and create a safe space that fostered collective imagination and diligent mechanical application. In the spirit of Edison, the Walk of Innovation is a multi-year public arts and science walkscape that celebrates the past, present, and future of culture-shifting, superpower creativity. Over the 1-mile path along the beautiful Fort Myers waterfront, the Walk of Innovation is a living, changing outdoor display case and communal gathering hub, bringing guests into direct contact with brilliant innovations and innovators, and provides a glimpse of the future. The Innovation Walk celebrates and inspires innovation from all walks of life and parts of the world. Please, take a walk with us.